Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm really excited to show you how to use Janitor AI for role playing with your favorite characters. If you ever wanted to chat with an anime character, build your own Aussie, or just have fun with immersive conversations, this video is basically for you. I will guide you step by step, explain the feature, and share tips to make your role play more natural and enjoyable. Let's jump right in. So this is the website that I have opened in my browser, and the URL of this website is janitorai.com. I have also shared my link of the website in the description. You can also open this website through the directly through the link. Basically that's an affiliate link. Okay, so you can join this website through that link as well. So this is the overall interface of this website. When you get open this website, you will get this kind of interface. It is really user friendly, and even a beginner can easily learn from this video how you can use Janitor AI for the role play with the anime most of the characters. Okay, and you can also do chat. So there are some trending chatbots here, anime character created here in the last 24 hours. You can see that there are 2,892 characters which are in trending in 24 hours. Okay, so there are a lot of characters. As you can see that. So the first we got the Dark Mountain. You can see there are multiple characters. You can select any of them as per your preferences. Okay, so let's pause. We want to go with its vi, and its description is your call, and grumpy general suddenly became a clumsy golden retriever who trips over his own feet. Okay, so let's try this chatbot. Okay, so you just simply have to select any of the chatbot, and after that, after selecting, this kind of interface will open up here. Okay, so they have provided us the character overview here. You can read all the backend story of this character here. Okay, so there are some banners uploaded by the person here who has created this uh, chatbot or the anime character. Okay, so here are the author's note as well. So in order to chat with this AI character, or the character name is Maximus. So if you want to talk with the, and if you want to have chat conversation with Maximus, you have to click on this chat maximum. So in order to get access to the chat conversation, you have to create your account. Let me show you first. So I clicked on here, and it's asking me to create a or register an account. So I'm going to register that account here. So I'm going to select continue with the Google account. So uh, let's try it again for the captcha verification. So as you can see that it has successfully we have successfully cleared the captcha here, and now I will click on the login with Google button to create an account. So I'm going to choose my Google account here. Okay, so here's a reminder for you. I have already provided you the website link in the description. You can go to that you can register on this website through that link. Okay, so here you can upload the profile picture of your character. So I'm going to place a random picture here. Okay, so I've just uploaded a random picture here, and you can also write a username as well. So I'm going to write it as Carter. Okay, so here you can also add about my description, and you can also add the display name here. You can also explain the appearance of your of this account. So it's, let's say, begin, and a handsome young man, age 25. Okay, so after that you can just click on this save changes, and the profile and your profile settings will be saved. So it is asking for the failed to update profile username already, so let's change the username. So let's try something unique here. Well, so after a lot of our files, we have successfully selected this username, and our profile settings has been saved. Let me show you again. So I will just click on the save Jenny, and the profile is updated now. So let's go back to the Janitor AI again at the dashboard, and let's select any of the chatbot here. So let's again select any of the characters. So I've chose this one, and let's go for the chat here. So you go deep down, chat with Umar. So the character name is Umar. So as you can see that chatbot has been opened and you can do any of the chat here. Let's see, how are you, or and you will get an instant reply. Okay, so as you can see that gave us the reply. So that's how you can use different AI chat model here, and you can do all the conversation here with the, and you can play as a role anime. Okay, so that was all about janitor AI and how you can use it and how you can register on this. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.